everybody, and today I'm gonna be giving you guys a farm tour of this new farming series on Stone Valley. So first of all, we had our 1982 TLX, the vintage the limited. It's at the limited. And we got our 8930 is our smaller tractor. And then we have our 215 Pumas, our big tractors. We don't have a very big farm. Our 7250 Case Combine. Oh shoot. Climb around, I just hacked this. Our 28-foot head and our Mack grain truck. We also have a 12 row case planter with just the boxes on it. And then we got a 12 row Draco corn head. Really fit in here. Okay, so we have our 3 small Meridian bins. Then we got our 60-foot Westfield auger. We got our International 55 chisel plow. Then we have 2 of these 6500 Parker grain carts. And then we got our tag trailer for our grain truck. Then we got a drive-over hopper for our auger, and we got our 1066 Hydro, which will be our auger tractor. A fuel barrel, and yeah, that's pretty much it.